perfect for fall. We have 4 cups of shredded apple, 2 2/3 cup quick oats, 2/3 cup chopped pecans, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup brown sugar. But today we're using this sugar called Swerve. It's made out of fruits and sweet root vegetables. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and here we have 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. First, we're going to put our dry ingredients in the bowl. I'm going to get the oats. Here's the oats. All right. Now the nuts. And now the brown sugar. I forgot it's not this way, it's this way.
Oops.
Silly kids, right? That's so silly. Whoa! That's silly. Now the cinnamon. Cinnamon all around. And now the baking powder, baking soda, and salt.
Yay!
Go all around it. There. That looks good. Oopsies, it's okay. I'll clean it next time. But first, we need to crack our eggs and beat them. Whoa. That's silly, right, guys? Now we need to pour it in the bowl. Now the apples. Oh, I'm gonna scoop out the rest because some stayed. Now we're gonna mix it all up. Whoa, there's a lot of apples. There's a lot. I don't know if I can mix this. I can do it if I try. But just do little by little and you'll get there. I think it's gonna be super good.
Yay!
Smells super good. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. The apples are healthy. They have plenty of vitamin C. And oatmeal is full of fiber and iron. It's all mixed. Now we're gonna put it in our pan. See, all mixed. What? It's a 9x9 pan. Spray it first with non-stick spray. Yeah, this looks delicious.
Yum yum.
It's super big. Whenever you're handling food, make sure you have clean hands. Wash them with soap and warm water. Whoa. This is fun. You should try this sometime, right guys? You really should. I think it's good.
Whoa!
So, do you know who's Nana? I played in Nana's house one day. It was so much fun. I love Nana. We played scavenger hunt in Nana's house. That was fun. Have you ever done a scavenger hunt before? This is how you do it. First, a person gives you 5 cards or 10, or I don't know, some cards how you want to, or all of them, but there's a lot. I don't think you will do that. And put a timer, and then what the cards say for you to get, and give it to the other person. Before the timer runs out, you need to do that.
Yippee!
I found some weight meters, but I didn't have them, so my mommy gave me some other ones. We also found some socks, a spoon, a jacket, a towel, a blanket, and everything. I don't remember what else, but that's how. There. Alright, it's all in the pan. Now we're going to bake it in 375 degrees for 30 minutes. See you in 30 minutes. It's ready. Swirly Dirty, where are you?
Oh, hi, Lili Kiwi.
Hi, Swirly Dirty.
What's that delicious smell?
They're apple walnut bars.
Wow! Looks like I got here just in time.
Let's taste one, Swirly Dirty, and see what you think. Let's taste one. This one looks good.
Yum yum.
This is good. And guess what, Swirly? There's no added sugar. We use the Swerve. It's a natural sweetener made from fruit and sweet root vegetables.
Wow!
Subscribe for the Lili Kiwi channel and click the like for more healthy recipes.